Listen and practice. Hi friends. Today's our topic is fruit's name in English. Listen carefully, then repeat after me. Guava, guava. Grapes, grapes. Mango, mango. Peach, peach. Fig, fig. Melon, melon. Plum, plum. Pomegranate, pomegranate. Orange, orange. Persimmon, persimmon. Papaya, papaya. Pineapple, pineapple. Sapodilla, sapodilla. Dates, dates. Lychee, lychee. Comment below from which country you are watching us. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you liked the video, please give it a like and subscribe to my channel. Comment and tell me what topic you want to practice next. Have a good time everyone.